Welcome back to another video. So in this video we're going to be showing the growth over the past week from what you've seen on the last video to how they are now. So we will go over the food, how to prepare it, how we do it anyway, and how we feed them, and just general how they've been getting on all week. So hopefully enjoy, watch the video. Thank you. So in this clip we're just going to be cutting up the mice and chicks, day-old chicks. So there's the mice now. I just cut it up into small manageable pieces for them, nothing too much. We just leave that bit of fur that's on them because it just helps cushion it. They're getting to that age now where it's not really a problem. They're bringing up pellets every day. Everything looks all healthy with them and they're all happy, sleeping well, not making too much noise. I know Harriet's the louder one, but that's just how some of them are. They are just babies at the end of the day. Some of them don't grow out of that, but with George on the other hand, which that one was for, he's really quiet. It's a massive difference between them both. So what I'm doing is I'm just cutting the legs off, the head off, and the wings. I do give George a little bit of fur out of this. Just depends, just a little bit, not a lot. I don't want too much while they're too young. So it's really easy with the day old. So as you can see there, that's the yolk sac. I'm just going to pull that out. We do feed a little bit of it every now and then, but not too much. It's just personal preference, no reason why not. I'll just keep washing my hands off to make sure there's not a lot of fur and that built up all over my hands. Just makes life easier and keep it cleaner. And then honestly, you can just pull it apart and it just goes in, make it, you know, just decent enough size pieces for the age of the birds, whatever you're feeding. And yeah, we'll just put it straight into the Tupperware dish and we'll run it under a bit of water and yeah, let it soak for however long we need it to be until we feed them. So that's the chicks and mice and a couple of pinkies for the older George cut up now. You've probably just seen a time lapse and I'll just quickly show you what they look like finished. There we go, nice and simple. So all we like to do now is when we forgot the food, just run a bit of water because he'll be getting fed soon. So I'm sitting that for a little bit until we feed them. And we'll empty like that. Right. George already manned up.
Is that your horse? No?
Right, George.
Oh, he just killed me.
What is it today? 24 days?
Oh my god.
There's a wee bean over there. So our little Harriet is 21 days old today. You can see she's got all the little down feathers, baby feathers in now. She's not as bold. You're still a bit ugly, duck, aren't you? But and George is what, 28 days today. It's starting to look more and more like a barn owl now. He's getting his feathers through, his flight feathers, and you're doing well, aren't you? They've just eaten, so they're back in the box on the heat mat. That's the red bit that you can see underneath. I'm just relaxing. Why is it, George? So, hopefully you've enjoyed the video. In the next one we'll be testing George's anklets out, and we'll be taking them a walk round and filming you of what they do. So hopefully you've enjoyed the a week's growth of a barn owl. You can clearly see the difference with her. See George's face has come on. See if he'll show us his little feathers. You've just seen a bit then. There we go, look. Coming through. Tail feathers. You're the noisy one, aren't you? You're the noisy one. Eh? You're full. Look at that belly. So yeah, thank you for watching.